All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Here we go. Trading Logic Thursday recap 5/21/20. Quiet day for the scanner. Don't care about the rest of the market. Never did, never will. But for the scanner, it was a quiet day. Only really had one bona fide stock to look at, and that was CLSK. That one looked really, really good, and it turned out to be pretty decent. We were able to get in that twice, so that was a nice move. Then XTNT, that was kind of like a dark horse. If it pulled back to a certain range, I thought it would really explode, but it kind of fooled me. The thing lit up, it smoked up right at the bell. So, but hey, listen, that's why they call it trading. If it was that easy, everybody would just stay home in their pajamas and do it. Okay, moving on to CLSK.
What do you mean?
Now, what do I mean? Can't believe my phone talks back to me. Anyway, CLSK. This one, we put it out. It ran up on the Trading Logic scanner in the morning. It was our top pick, and it was well worth it for sure. Did some technical analysis on this thing back a considerable amount of time, and we found that the entry price was going to be in a ballpark around 280. Now, sorry about the click clack in the background. That's my dogs. They hear me talking, so they have to come running. Anyway, so we had it somewhere in the 280 range. Okay, so the low on it was 281. So whenever I say range, that doesn't mean, you go set your number to exactly 280. I always, if I know it's going to be a 280 range, I'll probably set it around 283. If it drops down to 280, 279, I don't care. But this way I'm sure I got in. So 280 range. And I actually had my set at 281. And right to the penny, it dropped to 281. And I got in it. And then okay, so sorry, I got in at 281. That was at 9:38 this morning. At 9:40, I got out of it at $3.01. It did go to 303, but I saw where the VWAP was, which is like 299. So I put my own personal stop at 301, figuring because this thing dojies a lot. It spikes a lot. So I put my thing up there, 301, and 301. Boom! Sure enough, it just ding, popped right up. 301, good. So 281 to 301, nice little trade there this morning. Very simple, very easy. I didn't really have to do much. I mean, I had my order entry set, picked me up at 281, then I set it for 301 and picked me up at 301 a minute later. So that was all good. Now, we had, with CLSK, there was, after watching it for a little while, there was also a secondary point where this would have been good to get into. And I had been looking at that earlier on the technical analysis, and that was around 260 range. So about a minute before it got to 260, I saw it making its move, getting close. So I popped an alert up on Twitter. CLSK, possible bounce off of the 260 area. Remember, area. Maybe back up to 280. So I set my buy order at 261, and remarkable. It went to 261, not 260, but 261 again. The other one was, I think, 281, whatever it was. So 261. So it buys it for me automatically. 261, didn't have to do much. It grabbed it for me. So I was expecting 280 for it to crack 280, which it did. It actually cracked, as far as I know, last look, which was probably around, I don't know, 1010, somewhere around there, 1008, I don't know. It was like 285. It might be higher now, might be lower. Again, don't care. That's just, it's history. It makes no difference to me. But again, at 261, and I had my my sell set at 279. Easy squeezy. By 9:59, it sold at 279. So, another nice move. Two really nice, like, just blue collar. Love those. They're solid. They're strong. It's definite money. It's easy money. There's no sense in working hard for this stuff. Let it shake out. I let the early morning CLSK just shake out. I let it shake out. I don't care. It's where you're gonna make your highest percentage that I've found of trades that are successful are going to be after that shakeout. Oh, you're going to miss some. You're definitely going to miss some, like the next one I'm going to get to. You're going to miss some, no question about it, but I'd rather miss those and let them fly away and be consistent. I mean, 18 for the last 21 trades are green. So why wouldn't you want that, right? 18 for 21? I don't know anybody else going 18 for 21. And this is documented. It's on Twitter. The alerts are out in the morning and then the follow-up in the afternoon or the late morning. So it's no BS. It's out there before the market starts. So 18 for 21. Pretty happy about that. Anyway, so we're going to move on to the XTNT, which XTNT, my God, this thing, it just went cuckoo. I was hoping for a pullback to $2. Truly, I was. Because that would have been awesome if it did that. And it actually, at this recording right now, it's at $2, believe it or not. So, $2 and let me see. It opened at 201 on another halt and went up to 216 for a halt. So opened at 201, went up to 216, and it's halted right now again at 1026. I believe this is XTNT. Oh, there it goes again. All right, so if you got in at $2, this is live right now that I'm doing at the moment. I didn't plan on this. Got in at $2. It is now up at 232. Just got halted again. So $2 to 232. So I was about to say with XTNT while I was doing this that, it never got to the $2 range. So this is kind of a wash. This one, it doesn't really count. However, it did get to the $2 range. So that's what we're going with. So it took a while to shake out. I mean, it's already 10:30 in the morning. That's a long day for me. But it took a while to shake out. And if you're in it now at $2, the high right now is 230. What did I say it was? 231. That's the first one was up. Second one was up. So you got a shot at maybe the third one going up. Then after that, On this next one, I certainly, personally, I would get rid of it. But that's just my thoughts. Anyway, who knows? We'll see what it says. But there we go. XTNT, another really nice winner. So that really makes us 19 for, what did I say we were? We were 17 for 20. So then went 18 for 21. So now 19 for, 19 for 22. 19 for 22. 2 for 2 today. 2 for 2 yesterday. Come on. Why are you not watching these picks every single day? Every day. Our scanners have it figured out. We have it figured out. Our technical analysis is second to none. Our philosophy is second to none. Join up. We'll talk about things. We'll discuss things every day. All right? So, getting away from XTNT and specific stocks, just wrapping up. Remember, everything I tell you here is just, it's informational. It's my opinion. It's what I like to do personally. But you have to remember to plan your own trades and trade your own plan. So you need to decide what your tolerance is for how much money you can lose, because trading is risky. You have to decide, what type of trading you're comfortable doing. Very, very important. And there's so many different types. We'll get into all that in some videos that are coming up. But there's so many different types of trading. And who knows? Maybe this is the exact type of trading you'd like to do. And eventually, I'm going to teach people how to do this. But I need to get enough followers first, because I'm not just giving this away. This is pretty good stuff, as you can tell. 19 for 22, 4 for 4 on the last trades. Come on. I've put many years of work into this. So I'm not just going to share it with anybody. Okay? So don't forget to follow us at twitter.com/trading_logic. And please do not forget to like this video. Really, really important. All right? I want to keep bringing you content, and that's the best way I can do it. All right, so everybody, have a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow morning for the same thing, and let's close out the week strong, big and strong.